Hey guys, welcome to another video. And on today's video, I am going to the track. It's not going to be a serious track day. It's just it's a beginner track day where they teach you the course and where to brake, and that's from what I was reading. It says that they teach you how to basically all the base information on the track. I've never been on the track other than a quarter-mile track and an eighth-mile track. This track is located in Thornburg. It's right off 95. It's really close to my house. About a 45 minutes drive without traffic down 95. Sometimes it is the weekend, so there was a little bit of traffic, but it still was an hour. I'm in my 2006 Corolla. This car doesn't really do, I don't want to do quarter mile stuff in it. It's really slow. I really want to just track it. I want to experience my brakes. I have a TRD big brake kit for a Scion TC 05 to 2010, I believe, which is the first gen. It's a straight bolt-on. It would fit the Matrix, the Celica, Pontiac Vibe, and of course the Corolla, which is the 9th gen Corolla, and then the 1st gen Matrix, and the Celica, which I think is the 7th gen, I believe, and then the Pontiac Vibe, the 1st gen Pontiac Vibe. I'm not too sure about the a 10th gen Corolla, or the 2nd gen Matrix and the 2nd gen Pontiac Vibe. They might fit, I'm not too sure, but I know for a fact on the Corolla it's a straight bolt-on matter. You get when you buy the Stop Tech kit, it comes with the rotors, lines, the pads, and the calipers. Of course, you do have to modify a little bit to make them fit, but they fit, and I'm really excited to test them out and see how well they work. If not, I'm probably gonna end up getting another brake setup and sell these. I know they're a little expensive, but I'll probably end up getting like a Woodford kit or something, just because it's I can get rotors a lot easier. I don't have to go. I mean, I work for Toyota, so I can get a decent price on rotors for my TRD Stop Tech kit, but I don't know. They're a one-piece rotor and they're really heavy. So I was looking at the Woodford kit just because they have the two-piece rotor kit, and it's a little bit lighter. I do want to turn this car into just a reliable track car. It does have the supporting mods basically for the track, which is essentially only an oil pan. It has a Moarlow monkey wrench tuning baffled oil pan. It's a monkey wrench tuning pan just because it has bungs on it, like all the provisions for like a turbo return line, and also if you have an oil temp sensor, which I do. I have an oil temp gauge in my car, which is also very important. I just want to I want to make sure my oil temp is not getting too high. I kind of goofed. I should have gotten an air fuel rate I should have gotten wideband beforehand, but oh well. Sorry for the bumpy video. This road is some crap. But we are here. So there was an unfortunate event. My camera was aimed up and it didn't record anything useful. And I'm gonna include it. You can barely see it, but I can always try next time. That concludes my track day. It was an amazing experience. I wish my boy Yanni was here in Sleeves. They were supposed to come out too, but certain things happen. I guess just timing wasn't right. But next time they have to come with me. It was an amazing experience, and anybody else too. All my friends, they all have to come with me. It's a great entry level. It's called the Track Attack, and they have a lead and then following instructor. So everyone, they said highway speeds. Well, yeah, it was highway speeds, and we couldn't pass anybody, but it was good because I got to learn the track, and I think I'm gonna do another one just so I can get more seat time. I'd like to jump right in and get go a lot faster, but I don't think I'm ready for that. The car is there. I mean, I like how it handled. The temperature did get a little hot. I think it got up to like 260-ish max, but I think that should be okay. As long as I change the oil before I come and then change it after, it should be okay. The other thing that I need to practice on is rolling off the throttle. It got very jumpy. I made it really jumpy because it would just release the throttle. So I need to practice that and figure out if it's me or it's the car. But I'm gonna blame it on myself right now, just because I don't know what I'm doing, and I was just practicing. So one of the instructors said, the best way is obviously is get some seat time, and I got some seat time. Helmets weren't required, but I did bring my own. I just wanted to learn and feel how it is with the helmet inside the car. So there was a couple other guys that had helmets, but next time I should be a little bit more prepared. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and peace. Can't come to Fredericksburg without ordering Sonic. Yes, can I get a number 4, please? Alright, do you want fries or tots? Can I get tots? And what's the drink? Can I get the Waffle Berry Brownie Master Blast? Alright, what else? That's it. Alright, it's going to be 10.60. Are you paying cash or card? Card. Alright, if you get the option, bonus price, have a great one. Okay. Like I was trying to say before, since I'm fat, I can't come to Fredericksburg and not go to Sonic. So I had to get Sonic. Wow.